Yeah, hi guys, I'm Dr. Rajat और मेरे साथ है Dr. Ginny. She's from Arunachal Pradesh and she did her graduation from Oxford Dental College, Bangalore. She joined us for the oral surgery training program for 4 days and just would like to ask, yes, Dr. Ginny, after 4 days of oral surgery training program, how is your experience, and now are you confident to do surgical extraction, surgical cases at your clinic?
Yes, I'm confident now. I came here to polish my skills as I was facing some difficulty for surgical extractions in my clinic. So I learned about you, and then I came here to.
Okay, so what techniques did you follow when you were doing surgical cases here? How different were they when you were practicing, and what difference did you feel?
I found that there was minimum bone trauma and minimal invasive and maximum results were seen.
Like when you're doing a firm tooth extractions, you have to divide the tooth, where you need to do guttering, how you need to section, how you need to do the flap. So I hope whatever you learned is fruitful to you, and you will definitely excel in your practice. Just start with simple cases and gradually you feel confident and do surgical cases as well. So would you like to recommend this course and say anything to the colleagues who are watching this video?
Yes, I would like to say like everybody should come and learn from you, because the techniques that were taught here was very different from what we were taught in the books and in college. It was more efficient and more
practical.
More practical, and more like results were much better.
Yes. So now what are your future goals?
I'll keep updating my skills and do the work.
Great. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
So the idea is to teach the intricacies of technology and update them regarding the techniques which are not taught in books or anywhere. It's only about the practical learning. ऐसी techniques जो suppose अगर आप इम्पैक्शन भी कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसी टेक्निक जहाँ पे आपको मिनिमली इन्वेजिव सर्जरी करनी है और आपको कैसे हैंडल करना है इमरजेंसी डेंटिस्ट्री के बारे में। और सर्जरी एक बहुत वास्ट सब्जेक्ट है। कोशिश हमने की है कि 4 दिन में जो प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड नॉलेज है इनको दे, सो दैट ये अपने क्लिनिक में वही एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं। सो थैंक्स अ लॉट जेनी, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू
सर।